In this tutorial, we will see how to import and export projects data in StaffViz with just a few simple steps. Open your StaffViz desktop application. On Navigation panel, click the Projects and Tasks module, and from the drop-down menu select Projects. A new dashboard will open up. Now on this dashboard, you'll see a list of all your projects. Above these listed projects, you will find the two options you are looking for, Import and Export. Now click on the Import button. Once you click on it, a drop-down will appear. Here you can see multiple options. First, click the Download Sample option to download a CSV file. This is a pre-formatted file with all the sample particulars that you are required to fill in. Enter a clear, concise name for the project in title. In description, briefly explain the project. Next, input the allocated budget. In the Type section, please specify if it's an ongoing or one-time project. By typing yes or no, define if the project is billable or not. List the names or emails of managers overseeing this project. Add the names or emails of users, team members assigned to the task. Specify the teams responsible. Include the names or emails of viewers who need view-only access. In Clients, enter the associated client's name if applicable. This ensures accurate and consistent details. Save the file, then come back to StaffViz here, click on Select File option, and select your desired file to upload it on StaffViz. Once the file is uploaded successfully, the Proceed button will be enabled. Simply click on Proceed to finalize UData import into StaffViz. That's how easy it is to import data into StaffViz. Now, exporting data from StaffViz into your system is just a matter of few simple steps. Right beside the Import button, you will see Export button. Click on it, a new screen will pop up. On this screen, you have the date. Click on it and select a specific date range for your required export data. Next, simply click Export, and a file will be exported from StaffViz into your system. And there you have it. Importing and exporting data in StaffViz is that simple. Keep watching for more updates on StaffViz.